How to add email on Facebook. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add email on Facebook. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now hop into your Facebook application. Then go to Menu. And tap on the setting icon at the top. Now go to Account Center. Then select Personal Details. And tap Contact Info. To add a new email, tap on Add New Contact at the bottom. Select Add Email. Now type right here the email you want to add. Then select which account below will you use this email to. In my case, I will just have to choose the first account here and tap Next. Now type here the code that Facebook sent you via email. And after typing it here, tap Next below. And here it is. I hope this video helps you. See you on my next video.